In this video, I'll be showing you how to free up storage space without deleting apps on your Android phone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any Android you have. Now, freeing up space is going to be very beneficial, so you can, take more pictures, more videos, download more apps or anything like that. And you don't have to delete apps to free up any storage. So the best thing to do is go over to your settings application. Go ahead and scroll down and towards the bottom, you're going to see apps as one of the options. So go ahead and click on that. Now, once you're in your apps section, all you want to do is find any applications. Let's say I wanted to get this auto clicker. Go ahead and scroll down and I'm going to see storage as one of the options. But at the very bottom, I'm going to see clear cache. As you can see, I have 6.4 megabytes of cache. But on applications that you use more frequently, you're probably going to have a lot more cache built up. So if I go to storage, this one has 0 cache because I haven't used it since I cleared it. But then go over to storage on any other application, clear cache, and it's just going to definitely help a lot, especially like this is a secondary phone for me. I don't use this often, so my cache isn't built up much. But what you want to do is just clear cache on any application that you use pretty much every day. And it's not going to clear your data or anything. You're not going to have to re-log in or anything like that, but it's definitely going to help, which is going to be very useful to you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can also obviously delete stuff from your album, your photo albums, things like that, and that's going to help too. But clearing cache is going to definitely be the best thing for you when it comes to, clearing your storage and freeing up space without deleting any applications. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.